Okay, Abusia. Time on us, so Sister Sandy be a guy at Tennessee. Or Tennessee say, not just say, a concern, feel like, and all they bring. But today being Thursday, yeah, we got to speak English, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, Sister Sandy be a guy, ladies and gentlemen, she's in the dozen, y'all. Let's welcome her.
Yo, I feel you too, my Jay. I like the way you do it this way.
Baby. So how you doing?
I'm doing great. You know, you see.
All right. So that means we need to activate the phone lines, yeah.
Quickly, you know?
Okay. So let's do that real quick.
But hey, you know you cool and tune on.
Don't mind wifey. Don't mind wifey. Yeah.
I like that, Steve. Like I know you too well. You know that. So it's Thursday. You know how we do it on Thursday.
So 0302216561 0302216562. Call us now and let us know. There are lots of stuff going on in town. Yeah.
Ask from the right
source. Get it from the right source.
I feel like queen. The
Let's spice it up for you this evening. You know what I'm saying? So we're waiting for your calls.
You're not really remembering the cap I'm wearing, right? This fuller. You got it from Germany from me when you were coming. That's the American cap.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the American cap you gave me. I keep everything you give me like on the.
Okay.
You know, I keep it safe.
Yeah, it's so cool
when
you,
I
baby.
got to wear, I represent my brother.
No pee.
Anytime I wear, I pray for you. Like God bless you and all that. Yeah, because you're making me look dope.
Baby. All right.
And God got to give you a smile on your face.
All right, so we have our first call on the line. Let's check it out. Hello. Yes, good evening.
Jerry.
Yes,
hey,
baby.
You melting. Take it easy. Where are you calling from?
Okay, my name is Matilda. I'm calling from Kolegono.
All right, Kolegono Ninja.
All right.
Oh, it's Sandy.
Hi, baby. What's the
Papa? Hey.
Sweetie, don't sway. It's just Thursday. Speak English.
Yes, we are listening to you.
Okay. Actually, I was asking if Tomboy really pulled out a gun. How to resist?
You really want to find out if he pulled a gun again?
Know?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what people are saying, though. But
we were not there.
Okay.
But
he called me the other time on Sunday. Thank you.
What did you say? Come again.
Sister Sunday called me one Sunday.
You called her?
Yeah, I do interaction with my fans on Sundays.
Okay, all right.
I called you. I'm glad I did.
Lucky you. Enjoy. All right, let's begin. Next caller. Hello, good evening. Too bad.
Sorry about that.
Let's try one more time and see. Yeah, hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
Hello.
Are you there?
But I need them all to come to Facebook.
Yeah, what's up? What's your name? Hello.
We can hear you.
Charlie, you're on the line. If you're not ready, let's pick someone else.
Like a hat, so somebody else can come on the line.
What?
Oh, you put me your ballot. The person speaking loud. Oh, quite you lepi. Jerry Becker, let's away. Oh, okay, thank you. And quite you lepi.
All right.
You know, you got to take me to Blue Royal Hotel a lot, so I can
place,
really go relax there.
I know what you can do.
So they should come to Facebook, Adom 106.3. Look at the cap my brother bought me. You got a brother who's dope like mine? Come show me. All right, bro.
All right, next call on the line. Hello, good evening.
It's the J style.
Yeah, baby.
Hi.
Good evening. Hello. Yeah, what's the name?
The Crapping Brother.
Hey, Crapping Brother, you family.
When was your birthday? Was it yesterday or 3 days ago?
Was his birthday.
Yesterday, okay.
Yesterday.
All right. So we're listening to you.
Happy belated birthday.
Thank you, my dear.
Hey.
The fella I want to know is my head Joe Metro got married today. Yeah. Is it true or not?
It's true. It's trending. It's not a movie.
That's true.
All the girls who feel Joe Metro, sorry for your broken hearts.
All right. Thanks so much for your call, bro.
Let me heal the girls. Yeah. Every girl feeling Joe, I know what you're feeling. It's like when Jerry got married, all of you got disappointed, like you were sad because you crashing on him. That's how it feels. No more crashing on you. So they're crashing on Joe Metal, and now he's taken, and the girls are crying and we know he's handsome and all that, but he's gone. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
So that will take us to our next caller. Hello.
Thank you, Jay.
Too bad.
I don't know why fresh boys, when you get married, girls get hurt. You can't explain to me. Can you? You fresh boy explain.
I have no idea.
You got to. When Papa Bill's married, I will know that feel too.
Yes,
hi. I like putting my brother on the spot, you know?
Yeah, boss.
Please, my name is Kwame. I'm calling from Sacramento.
Okay, Kwame, yeah.
Yes, it's Sandy.
Yay.
You know, someone, try.
Are you speaking English or you doing what?
Yes, I'm talking about someone.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you say try. If I'm taking high or some content.
We're not taking opinions. We're taking full and explaining,
Yeah, so it looks like. Listen, it looks like you already have whatever, so you don't need any additional stuff. So
that's too risky.
Keep it
to yourself. Yeah? Keep whatever you know to yourself. All right. Build your people. We on,
Next caller. Hello.
Hello, Roger.
Yes. Good evening.
My name is Clement. I'm calling from Adom.
Hey, come again. You said your name is what? No, wait a minute. Hold on. Your name again. I didn't get that.
Clement Boabin.
Ellen Boabin.
Clement Boabin.
Clement, inti aguna straight do heya na kabrofa wase sami. Hey,
Helen Warren.
na kabrofa be kan remo.
I heard about
Wait. You know, come on. Listen. Fine. We want you to speak English, but at least you
why
should
you running
speak
away?
such that we'll be able to hear whatever it is
why
that
you
you're
running
saying.
Away?
I can't say all I'm hearing. Man, come on, man. We're in GH,
This is Brooklyn,
Okay, so come again. You were saying something.
I had a flat but a fine voice, and I just want to ask what
It's not true. Don't mind that guy.
It was for trying, So no wonder you were saying Patapa married, It's not true. He wanted to train, okay? He's fine. He's at Stradro. Oh, you are at Stradro. Go to his house. Go and check, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so we will pick our final call, eh?
All right, bro. Let's do it.
Yeah. So who's going to be our last caller
Who's
for
on?
today? Yeah,
Because
1-2-1-2-1-2 is the person on.
Hello. Hi. Jay, you know something?
How can be our last caller?
Now,
Let's
Jay,
try one more time.
Somebody's on?
I don't know. I'm just
Jay,
trying
you know something? Like, because coronavirus, you're not getting opportunity to travel. Like, you want to speak all your English here? No, take it easy, bro. Like,
are you referring to me?
Yeah, you, bro. Because I'm Corona.
Yeah.
If not for Corona, you and Bills, you would have left me like me and But so you want to speak out the English, you want to speak out there here. But you got to take it easy,
I got you.
Yeah, I got it. Corona
so
is
let's try one more time and see
if somebody is on all that.
Hello.
All right.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, good evening, boss. Please, what's your name? Where you calling from?
Please, my name is Joseph.
All right, Joseph, we're listening to you.
Calling from Hold Your Gun.
So, I got you. All right, let's move on.
Okay.
I want to know the thriller from Chairman You Can't.
Chairman Untimi.
Yes, of course.
What is it about
him?
Hello?
Yeah,
what is it about him?
Okay, so what do you want to know about Chairman Untimi?
The case between Chairman You Can't and then Tracy.
We don't discuss irrelevant stuff over here, okay? We discuss things that is relevant, not people who lie in a later form association like whatever inspires and hard work pays and that shit, all that. So, bro.
But is Chairman Untimi also part of the league? The league of extraordinary
gentlemen. So now we are looking for the papano. So till we find papano, all keep your suspense yourself and leave me out of it and all that.
That's cool.
So bro, I'm a go.
Sure.
But you cool and too, we know and you handsome too, but so take it on a chill pill.
Don't mind what I feel.
All right. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
And play with me, please, before.
Yeah, it's rolling already. Yeah.
How is Moses? How's Moses?
Yeah, Moses is doing well. Yeah.
Okay. Kwabna Jollof came crying on my phone. I'm sorry.
Yeah. All right, so that was Sister Sandy be a guy with filler, y'all. You know how we play around it when it's Thursday, yeah? Yeah, bro, for I intimate Thursdays near can I free line? Quite baby. All right, so Tigo Semen Kancho say we're still in the season for extra and Tiguswa. Yeah, more man for Quenya Kese. You know, social distancing, I don't chance I won't even check on a bush for what I say. It will need more airtime, more data bundles, what you stay online, why the opus or ye beer, what I say. So please go on and choose from Airtel 2's big time data extra, Fuse extra, or extra unlimited. and get extra because it's time for extra. You feel I'm just dial *111# to choose a plan today. Airtel to go. Life is simple. Papa Bill's watching right. But who do you okay now? You're fine watching right. Oh baby.